Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can clean your storage in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just swipe up down and go to settings. Click on apps and you can see the all apps. Here you have to turn off background data of all the apps that are using or running in the background. Click on this, click on mobile data on this, and here it is background data. You have to just simply turn it off and press back like this, and you have to click on files by Google. Here you can see, click on this. Click on files by Google, enter the password, and you can see this videos, MB, images and documents. You have to just delete it, and here are apps. Delete unknown apps that are not in use. You can just simply click on it and delete it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.